Ooh, is the coast clear?
Don't worry, Fizzy. I'll find them all.
It was on the sofa, right back there, and now it's gone.
Even more slime down here. Whoa!
Welcome to the Fizzy Show! Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. There, that should do it. Phoebe's going to have so much fun going for a treasure hunt in her room. Phoebe! Ooh, is the coast clear? Yes, I don't see anybody in here. Oh, look at all these fun toys and look right over here. That's so cute. I think I want to... Ticket! Woohoo! Come on, Phoebe. Come on. Big surprise for you.
Wow! Fizzy, look at all these toys in my room. You know I love puppets.
I know you love treasure hunts, too.
Yes, I do.
Well, you need to find all of the Fizzy and Phoebe nesting dolls, and then I can put surprises inside.
Oh, okay, I need to find them all. Let me take a look around. Let me see. Looks like there might be something underneath here. I found one! I found a green one!
Oh, good job, Phoebe. Just 4 more to go.
Okay, 4 more to go. Let's see. Maybe behind these french fries I can find one. Found it! It's me! Okay, I think there's 3 more to go now. And over here, I see this is standing up. It cannot stand up on its own. Aha! I found you! It's a Fizzy nesting doll.
Great job, Phoebe. Just 2 more to go. And we need to make sure we find them all, or else I can't fill them up with surprises.
Don't worry, Fizzy. I'll find them all. Okay, I checked behind all those. Let's see here. Here's a sofa. Oh, so comfortable. But wait a minute. What's that? I found an orange one back here. And now I'm going to find the last one. Where is it? I can't find the last one anywhere.
That's really strange, Phoebe. I hid the last one somewhere like super duper obvious.
Can you tell me where it was?
It was on the sofa, right back there, and now it's gone.
Oh no! Now I'll never be able to fill them up with surprises.
Wait, let me just go look around a little bit. It's okay, Phoebe.
I was so excited to see the surprises.
Hi, Phoebe. How are you doing today?
Not so good, 3-Eye.
Why? What's wrong?
I was trying to find all of the Fizzy and Phoebe nesting dolls.
Oh yeah, I see a bunch of them right back there.
But I can't find the last one. And if I don't have all of them, then Fizzy cannot make surprises for me.
Oh, and this has made you very sad.
Yes, very, very sad.
Well, then I have something to confess.
What is it, 3-Eye?
I took the last nesting doll.
You did?
Yes, I'm sorry. I thought it looked so cool, but now I see you're so sad. And let me go get it.
I can't understand you.
There it is, right there. Sorry I spoiled your fun.
No, the fun is not spoiled. Thank you, 3-Eye. Why don't you come and play with us?
Really? You mean it? I can play with you?
Absolutely.
Oh, thanks, 3-Eye. I'm so happy you decided to return that. Okay, it's time for a little Fizzy magic. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bobbizzy, Bop.
Fizzy, it doesn't look like anything happened.
Oh, you need to look inside of the nesting dolls. There's Fizzy's oozy doozy slime and some other surprises.
Awesome sauce! Miss Hands, can you give me a hand?
Yes, I can, Phoebe. Let's get started with our big blue Fizzy nesting egg. And let's see what's inside. Whoa! I see a lot of stuff inside. Oh, here's Fizzy's oozy doozy slime inside. It's so slimy. And wait a minute. There's something in there. There's something hiding inside of this oozy doozy slime. Hey, it's a squishy and look who's inside. It's Gudetama. Oh, that is so fun and so silly. And what do we have in here? Oh, it's a fizzy squishy. Look how squishy it is. And look at all the sparkles inside. Ooh, this is so cool. So stretchy.
Whoa! This is so much fun. Now let's open up that pink one.
Okay, 3-Eye. Glad you're having fun. We have Phoebe on this nesting egg, and what's inside? Whoa. Oh, whoa. Look at that slime. It's so oozy, and what a doozy. Let's try to get all this slime out of here. There's even more slime down here. Whoa. Okay, so here's our oozy doozy slime. And look, it's a cool little handbag for Phoebe.
Ooh, I love that.
And this fell out of it. It's a popping tube. We can put it back together and then pull it back out again. So awesome.
I love all of those surprises. Now it's time for the orange fizzy nesting egg.
That's right, Phoebe. We have this orange one, and look, Fizzy looks like he's yellow. And what's inside? Whoa, it's so oozy and such a doozy. And what's inside? We have an angry bird. It's so squishy. Look at that. And so much orange oozy doozy slime inside. Oh boy, this has been so much fun. And now we still have that green one to open up. Woo! That's right, 3-Eye. Let's see what's inside of our green nesting egg. Whoa, look inside of this one. This is pretty cool. It's a monkey noodle, and it's so stretchy and jiggly. But ew, I don't know if I like this as much. Whoa, it's so long. Look, it's a creepy, crawly centipede. Let's see, is it stretchy? Yes, it's a little bit stretchy. And look at all those legs. And hey, there's even some oozy doozy slime in this little tiny nesting egg.
And what's inside of that little purple one that I accidentally took?
Well, nothing's inside of that one.
Oh, that's so boring.
Actually, 3-Eye, it may be the most magical nesting egg of all.
What are you talking about?
Oh, just watch what happens when Miss Hands taps it 2 times. It's going to be awesome sauce.
Okay, here we go. Tap it 2 times. 1, 2.
Whoa, that was amazing. So magical. Thanks for letting me play with you guys today and for being so understanding.
You're welcome, 3-Eye. Remember, good friends don't take things without permission.
Yeah, and good friends invite friends to play with them.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching.
And I hope you have a fizzy, fantastic day.
We will
See you
next time.